Welcome to our video on the 5 best neck reading lights for avid readers. Reading is a beloved pastime, but it can be difficult to find the right lighting for comfortable reading, especially in dim or low light settings. That's where neck reading lights come in handy. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 neck reading lights on the market, their features, good and bad sides, and how they can enhance your reading experience. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. Number 1. The EZRED Anywhere Bright Magnetic Neck Light is an excellent option for those who need a lot of light for reading. It comes with 6 powerful LED lights that provide a bright, even light that's perfect for reading. This neck light is also magnetic, which makes it easy to attach to any metal surface. Additionally, it's lightweight and has a comfortable fit, making it ideal for long reading sessions. However, its only downside is that the batteries are not rechargeable. Number 2. The Alien Lizard Neck Light for book reading is another great option. It comes with 4 LED lights, providing enough light for reading in low light settings. The adjustable arms allow you to customize the angle of the light to your liking. Additionally, it's lightweight and comfortable to wear. The downside is that it requires AAA batteries, which need frequent replacement. Number 3. The Gvisa hand-free neck reading light is a unique option that allows you to use it as a neck light or as a desk lamp. It comes with 3 brightness levels and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 60 hours on a single charge. The light is also adjustable, which makes it perfect for reading or working on a project. However, it is slightly heavier than some of the other options on this list. Number 4. The Vecchier rechargeable LED neck light is an excellent choice for those who want a neck light that is comfortable and easy to use. It comes with 4 LED lights, providing enough light for reading in low light settings. The adjustable arms allow you to customize the angle of the light to your liking. Additionally, it is rechargeable and can last up to 80 hours on a single charge. However, some users have reported that the lights can be too bright, causing eye strain. Number 5. The Energizer LED rechargeable neck light is the last option on our list, but it's certainly not the least. It comes with 3 brightness levels and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 24 hours on a single charge. Additionally, it's lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it perfect for long reading sessions. However, some users have reported that the light is not bright enough, especially for those who need a lot of light for reading. In conclusion, the EZRED Anywhere Bright Magnetic Neck Light, Alien Lizard Neck Light for book reading, Gvisa hand-free neck reading light, Vecchier rechargeable LED neck light, and Energizer LED rechargeable neck light are all excellent options for those looking for the best neck reading light. Each option has its unique features and benefits, so it's essential to consider your specific needs when choosing the right one for you. We hope that this video has helped you find the perfect neck reading light to enhance your reading experience.